Hello everyone and welcome back to Elegance on a Budget. If you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, we would love to have you. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. Today's video, we have something very girly and fun for you.
Today we're making a vanity perfume tray and also a makeup brush holder.
For the first project, we are making the vanity perfume tray. You want to make sure you remove and wipe all residue from the back of the mirror so that your epoxy can adhere to the mirror. The dots on the back of the mirror are visible so that you can see, so make sure you apply your epoxy glue to those four corners of those dots so that you can get a perfect setting. Just cleaning up the back of the mirror, getting all the glue off so that when it finally dries, it will dry and have that polished look. Now you should allow dry time to at least be 2 to 3 hours just to make sure that the epoxy has stabilized itself and have adhered to the surface. Now this part you do want to take your time because you are gluing the knobs onto the front. Make sure that you measure. We have played it by ear because we do know where the measurements are, but we are still going to use a wooden stick to just make sure that everything is set in place. For the second project, for time's sake, we are gluing the crystal knobs onto the surface, but if you want it permanent, you are going to have to use an epoxy glue.